Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can change the HTTP to HTTPS in Hostinger. First you need to log in Hostinger account and then click on website. Now select your website which one you want to redirect. And on the left panel here you can see domains. Click on this and here redirect. So redirect HTTP and this is our domain. Redirect to URL and here redirect to HTTPS. Select this HTTPS and copy the domain name and paste it here. And finally click on the create button, then it will be changed HTTP to HTTPS. So this is how you can change HTTP to HTTPS in Hostinger. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please do subscribe and hit the like button. See you in the next video.